Now I'm going to get into the types of exchanges there are.
In the end of this video, you will understand the difference between a decentralized, centralized, and hybrid exchange, and why I think a decentralized exchange is your best bet to make more money.
You're just getting started with cryptocurrency, blockchain, decentralized finance. You have some questions, you need answers. I'm going to find out those answers for you. Stay tuned and see. Now I'm going to get into the types of exchanges there are. You have three types of exchanges: centralized, decentralized, and hybrid exchanges. Centralized exchanges are most known and traditional in the crypto sphere. They are governed by a company that offers the options of both crypto-to-crypto trading and a fiat-to-crypto gateway. You can use the order books for your trades, and in some advanced exchanges, even some technical analysis tools. The biggest advantages for centralized are they're easy to use, they have a great user interface, customer support, various trading pairs. Most of the time, you can benefit from additional services such as staking and savings opportunities with centralized exchanges. The biggest exchanges have not only a great reputation for reliability, but high trade volumes and liquidity. So the trading spread is not as big as in some other types. Using centralized exchanges, you aren't the owner of the private keys, so there is still a risk that the exchange could be hacked, as this has happened in the past and people have lost their money. Essentially, you could wake up and the centralized exchange could be gone. Some people feel uncomfortable with sharing their private data in the KYC process, also known as Know Your Customer process. So this might be a barrier for some people with centralized exchanges. The most popular centralized exchanges are Binance and Coinbase. Next, you have decentralized exchanges, or DEX. DEX. A DEX is simply just a service platform in which connects buyers and sellers who want to exchange their tokens. A DEX is an alternative to a centralized exchange without a central point of failure. No company is in charge of the assets. In comparison, with traditional centralized exchanges, the transactions and trades are automated by using smart contracts and decentralized applications. This way is much more secure because there is no possibility of a security breach if the smart contract is well written, of course. The most advanced blockchain with the largest number of tokens is Ethereum, or ERC20 protocol. Most decentralized exchanges are on the Ethereum protocol. Because no company is responsible for the operation of a DEX, it's harder for governments and regulators to shut them down. But the hurdles for decentralized exchanges are there is no customer support. And on most DEXs, there is low trading volume, small liquidity, lower speed, and poor user interface, which makes them more difficult to use. Some known DEXs are Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Lastly, you have hybrid exchanges. What is a hybrid cryptocurrency exchange? It's the kind which takes advantage of both centralized and decentralized exchanges. It is the combination of fast transactions you can find with the centralized platforms and security assurance by still holding the private keys with decentralized. Hybrid types are a new type of generation in the crypto trading marketplace, but still under development. The most popular hybrid types are Nash Exchange and CEX Exchange. Most centralized exchanges are licensed and regulated by the government. In some jurisdictions, crypto exchanges can be banned. I believe it already happened in China, South Korea, India, and Russia. So centralized exchanges need to comply with the rules. Decentralized exchanges have no intervention from government and regulations. Simply, they can't be shut down. That is their biggest advantage, which brings various limitations to it as well. Customer support on their side, not exactly.
Here's what I wish I knew. I wish I knew the difference between centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. I wish I knew that a lot of the coins that people were talking about, tweeting about, weren't available on centralized exchanges and you had to learn how to use a DEX. That's where you get it below market value, because once a centralized exchange accepts a certain token or coin onto their platform, it then increases the value of the coin because it then becomes more accessible to everybody.
Make sure you like and subscribe, follow, hit the notification bell. Make sure you do all of that so that you can stay tuned as I put out these videos.